Welcome to the Immigrant's Way podcast with the immigration attorney Margaret W. Wong with over 40 years of experience. Enjoy.
Hi, my name is Margaret Wong, and today's topic is who could apply for work permit. So let's go to who cannot apply for work permit. American citizen cannot apply for work permit. A green card holder cannot apply for work permit. Why? American citizen is out of the jurisdiction of the Department of Homeland Security unless it's terrorism. So Homeland Security, CIS, CBP, and ICE only do green card holders who have criminal records or people who have no papers or came legally and overstayed, right? Once you become a citizen, you're outside of Homeland, aside from terrorism and investigation and stuff like that. So who cannot apply? Now, who could apply? People in America, any foreign-borns in America who have something pending with the U.S. government with CIS. So, for example, I have a pending removal deportation case with ICE. Can I apply? No, because you don't have something pending with CIS, right? So, for example, I already have an asylum pending. I'm still in court, so I'm in a court removal proceeding. Can I apply? The answer is yes, because ultimately asylum is either adjudicated by immigration or by the judge. And under the law of asylum, you could also apply for work permit. So who cannot apply for work permit? For example, H-1B, you don't need and cannot apply for work permit because H-1B itself is a work permit. H-1B is employer-specific, salary-specific, location-specific. So if you are a CFO, a chief financial officer of a startup company in New York, I cannot get an H-1B for you if you live in Ohio and do not tell immigration that you're working in Ohio, you're working in New York, because New York now is very, very high rent. I mean, now maybe lower, but at one time before the virus, right? But H-1B people cannot apply. U visa people cannot apply until the U visa is approved. And there's only 4 work permits for U visa after it's approved, which is the 14, the 15, the 19, and 20, all right? TPS people used to be, if you get TPS, you don't need to get a work permit, but then so the government can make more money from us, TPS people have to apply for the 821 and the 765. So TPS people need a work permit to say their TPS work permit. So technically, I don't need a work permit, right? I just got pregnant, I have a new baby, I want to take my break, and also save some money because to get a work permit, you need to pay like $400 or $500. So I just want TPS, I don't need a work permit. Then you don't fill out the 765. So TPS people could apply for work permit, but they don't have to. So then the question is, who could apply, who don't have to apply, and who cannot apply? H-1 people cannot apply. E1, E2 cannot apply, but the spouse of E1, E2 could apply. So a lot of times, because I cannot apply for work permit, how do I get a social? Under Social Security web, we can also look at the list of people who automatically, like a K visa. If I am a fiance of an American citizen, you don't need to apply for a work permit. You're allowed to work, but then it's only a 90-day K1 visa. So under Social Security, you're going to see, oh, K1 cannot apply for social. But what happens if I miss my 90 days? I'm so happily in love. I search for my new house, I plan my wedding. Now I forgot to apply for my work permit. So that's why K1 says that you don't need a work permit, but if you marry an American citizen within the 90 days, you can still get the green card work permit, but you have to file the 35 first. So under the green card application, now you have a pending 765. But the K1, you don't need a pending 765 because itself is a work permit. But then the question is, if I miss my K1 90 days, how can I get my social and then my driver's license? That's your problem. So even a work permit is nuanced. Again, my name is Margaret Wong, and I really would like to educate all of us. And so we also together learned something. And today's topic was work permit and who could apply, who cannot apply.